In this video, we're going to build a simple but practical RAG agent in PrimePilot. This agent will use our own documents to answer questions accurately instead of relying on generic knowledge. The goal is to show how quickly you can go from your data to a working AI agent. Let's start by creating a new agent. In PrimePilot, agents are specialized by design, so we'll create a RAG agent. This agent's responsibility is knowledge, understanding and retrieving information from our own data sources. Once the agent is created, we can configure it further by attaching knowledge sources. This step is what grounds the AI in your real business knowledge. At this point, the agent is no longer relying on general training data. Instead, it uses retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG, to find relevant information from our documents and generate responses based on that content. When the document is uploaded, PrimePilot automatically configures the retrieval pipeline for this agent. You can customize how the RAG system works based on your requirements. This improves accuracy and ensures responses stay aligned with your data. Now let's interact with the agent and ask a few real questions. Notice how the responses are based on the content of the document we provided, rather than generic assumptions. This is where RAG agents are especially powerful. They allow AI systems to understand your products, policies, and internal documentation. You can ask both high-level and very specific questions, and the agent responds using the knowledge it was given. These conversational interfaces support advanced features such as user-initiated agent switching, file uploads, media display, and seamless handover to human agents. We can deploy them as chatbots, API, widgets, and custom conversational interfaces. In a few minutes, we've built a RAG agent that understands our data and responds accurately. The same approach works for customer support, internal knowledge, product documentation, and industry-specific use cases. PrimePilot allows you to create multiple agents and combine them to support more advanced workflows. In the next videos, we'll look at how to deploy this agent as a chatbot or API and how to connect agents to other AI systems using MCP. This is how PrimePilot enables reliable, production-ready AI solutions built around your data.